2022 we have Tuluskatu 3 stickers. Quite a strange order here on the buildings, as you've seen, or staircases. But still we are here in Leinola, close to Leinola here. It was also formerly known as Koilliskeskus here in Tampere, tämä Forsvik, Finland. It has these 8 brushes, all 600 grams. I like this color a lot, turquoise. Yeah. Turquoise elevators, 2 of them here. Was built in late 2000 by Otis 1000 fixtures. Turned 20 years old in 2020. It's number SB1 and the 2854. It's going to be expected in the next year, 2023. Let's take 2 lights here. Also here the ground floor buttons light can be green.
Yeah.
Right, they tended to forget it.
Niissä piti pakivaisi, että me teet pasilla.
There's the Otis door logo by the door rail there.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's it.